It's my pleasure to introduce Mr. Sandeep Jaiswal. He is the director at Glance Video Private Limited and has experience head of sales with a demonstrated history of working in the building material industry, skilled in negotiation, business planning, glazing, strategic planning, and business development. Mr. Jaiswal will present a submission on facade, glass, door and windows industry. So let's welcome Mr. Jaiswal.
One is the green building, what is going on right now. Like most of the architects and the builders are focusing on green building. Green building are energy efficient buildings, which reduces the natural. They basically reduces a negative impact on the environment and a better and a positive impact on our climate and natural environment, which is we are living. So the more we use natural things and natural light, natural resources are better for our, for our climate and environment. We basically, as a Glance, as a company, we deal into high-end aluminum and UPVC doors and windows. And that's my topic to talk right now. And we are using very high efficiency of glasses. So the green building, what I am talking about, are the buildings which are using very less water consumption. They are using very less energy in terms of electricity, and they are using less of wastages. So to use a better kind of a glasses, there are several kind of glasses which reduces they cut off the maximum of heat, and they give a better light, and they give a better cooling condition for our buildings. So these buildings are basically designed in such a way so that these glasses and the facade, they act as a wall for the building. And second thing is the performance of the glasses. Right now, we have very wonderful glasses by different company, international brands like Saint-Gobain, Asahi, and Cleverbell. Then there are different multiple MNCs out there. They are using silver-coated glasses, which can be used for which can be used single or double glazed glasses. They can be there are different coatings, like there are silver coatings, then there is double silver coatings, which increase the performance of the glasses, and that impacts the overall cooling of the buildings. So it is these glasses, we can achieve a better better light and better cooling conditions. And with the kind of and second product which we are majorly using is aluminum and UPVC systems. These systems are basically in UPVC. They are very effective, and they are very they don't they act, and they act as a barrier to as a heat gain inside the building. And same with the aluminum system, with the high-end aluminum thermal systems. And these systems are systems in which they act as a barrier from which breaks the heat to come inside the building. So there are different systems which have improved systems which are there in today's world, which we are using to improve the cooling and to improve the efficiency of the building. So, and I think major other things he has already covered. He has already the windows, skylights. By skylights, we can bring the maximum of the natural light inside the building. The bigger doors with the big glasses. Then there is a curtain wall and the structural glazing. These glazings they normally act, as I've already mentioned, as a wall, and they bring maximum of the lights, and they cut off maximum of the heat. So they block heat. So basically, these systems are increasing. And if we talk about the green buildings are increasing day by day. In 2001, there was the first building which was there in India, and the total consumption was around 20,000 square feet. And today's data, what we have in 2023, it is 10 million square feet. So we have seen a lot of improvement with the years, and the people are more aware, getting aware about the product, and they are using more and more better glass, better aluminum systems for the in the industry. So that's my take on the product.
Thank you, Mr. Jaiswal, for appraising our viewers with your inspiring submission on facade glass, door and windows industry.